I'm Austin Turner. I'm from Fairlawn, and I'm in auto collision. I chose Upper Valley Career Center because I had more opportunities here. My favorite part of Upper Valley is lab because I get to work with my hands and have fun with friends. In the auto collision lab, we get to paint, we do body work, and we do welding. We do everything that it takes to get the job done. I enjoy seeing a car come in that is damaged and we have the opportunity to fix it and make it look like new. To work metal the way that we have to work it, it can be difficult at times. I mean, it's like drawing a human being. You have different angles, different things like that. It's an art. I plan on finishing my apprenticeship with Cindy Body Car Star. I love learning while I'm earning, and I want to further my education. If you're thinking of Upper Valley Career Center, keep an open mind and make sure it's what you want.